So what we're going to do, based on Janine's book, He's Not Prince Charming When, she's going to come back into the room, and I just came back from a horrible date with a guy. And I'm not going to directly tell her why the date was horrible. So I need your help. He's not Prince Charming when...
Keeps texting.
Keeps texting. That's a good one. Okay.
I cannot wait to hear about your date last night. You were like tweeting about it, but you were only like giving like things.
You know, there's a reason why I was tweeting about it. Maybe because it just wasn't working out, and you know, I thought this guy was going to be something, and he wasn't, and.
Oh, you know, I told you not to get your expectations too high. You know, I mean, fix-ups can be really sketchy sometimes.
It was weird, too, because he was talking to me, and then he wasn't, and his hands were under the table, and my phone was blowing up.
He wasn't another one of those Pee Wee Herman types, was he?
That does hit close to home because of the date I was on beforehand, but no.
I'm sorry. You know, I was just hoping you didn't have bad luck that you got another one of those. That's, you know.
No, I understand. There's something different when you, like when we talk, we look into each other's eyes, we express ourselves,
we're
we
women.
pay attention.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that might be my problem.
It's the estrogen.
I just need to find maybe myself a woman.
Oh, no.
Oh, I know.
Was he interested in men?
No, I dated the gay guy last week.
Oh, that's
something
right,
else.
that's right. You did go see a lot of, listen to a lot of Liza Minnelli with him, that's right.
I did, yeah, and Broadway tunes.
And Broadway tunes. Yeah, but you know what? He opened you up to a whole new world.
And what's TTYL? What's up with that?
Oh no, he wasn't texting all night, was he?
Yes, he was.